This brake bleeder kit combines a 3-liter pressure reservoir with a 1-liter catch bottle, so you can flush an entire system without constantly stopping to refill or empty containers. The hand pump design lets a single person bleed brakes or a clutch system reliably, which is especially helpful for home mechanics working without an assistant. 4 included master cylinder adapters cover a wide range of domestic and imported vehicles, making the kit versatile enough for mixed garages with different brands. The main tank is built from rigid, chemical-resistant plastic and paired with a clear pressure gauge, so you can see exactly what pressure you are running and trust it to hold up to repeated use. A built-in pressure relief valve and stable base make the bleeding process safer and less messy, reducing the chance of spills or accidental over-pressurizing. The kit comes with straightforward instructions that make it approachable for beginners, yet it is efficient enough that experienced users can speed through routine brake fluid changes.